Hi, welcome back. In this video I will show you how to edit modern city color filter using Lightroom Mobile. Here are example photos before and after using this filter. If you are a new user, please follow the instructions below to download this premium preset. Let's start editing. First go to Light. Highlights -35. Shadows -18. Whites -21. Blacks -21. Now go to curves and follow these steps. Go to Color. Temperature -8. Tint to +4. Vibrance to +41. Go to Color Mixer. First go to Red. Saturation +31. Luminance -41. Go to Orange. Hue +16. Saturation +16. Luminance +21. Go to Yellow. Hue -70. Saturation -16. Next go to Green. Hue -100. Saturation -100. Go to Aqua. Hue -100. Saturation -100. Go to Blue. Saturation -41. Go to Purples. Saturation -50. Go to Pink. Saturation -36. Next go to color gradings. In shadows, change hue value to 176. Saturation value to 17. Go to highlights. Change hue value to 75. Saturation value to 32. Go to effects. Clarity to +32. DNG +12. Go to details. Sharpening to 11. Noise reduction to 20. Color noise reduction to 18. And finish. Now copy these settings to another photos. If you are a new user, please follow the instructions below to download this premium preset. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe and like. See you in the next video.